Now, given this problem in GATE 2011, they are asking what is the average waiting time using shortest remaining time first. So it is straightforward. You can finish it off this way. See, you can solve any question in GATE. You can try all the papers. They all will be very simple coming to the scheduling, CPU scheduling. Now, the arrival time of the first one is at 0, and the burst time is 9. But what did I say? You are supposed to execute it for 1 unit and then wait and see, right? So P1, since there is only one process at 0, I am taking it, right? And now you wait and see if any process has arrived at time 1. Now by the time 1, this has finished 1 unit, therefore 8 is remaining. And what about this one? P2 has arrived, right? So now P2 is having a time of 4 and then P1 is having a time of 8. Therefore, which one is minimum? Clearly minimum is 4. Therefore, minimum will be scheduled first, next. Shortest job will be scheduled next, right? Therefore, P2 will be scheduled and it will run for only 1 unit of time. Therefore, it is going to be 3, right? And now after this, we have all the 3 available, right? So once every process, see, by the time 2, all the processes are available. Now every process, once they become available, now it will just be like the shortest job first. So among them, which one is the shortest? P2, right? So continue. Actually, it is it is running continuously without any preemption. Now this is running, and then what about P2? P2 will run for 3, so it is going to be 5. And what about next one? P1. P1 will run for 8, therefore it is going to be 13, right? And then P3 will run for 9, therefore it will be 22, right? Fine. Now once you have finished it, you can write the completion times here. They are asking about the average turnaround time, so you have to find out the completion time, then the turnaround time. Okay, average waiting time, completion time, then turnaround time, then waiting time, right? Now what is the completion time? For P1, see, I told you that always you find out the completion times from the right end. So the last time wherever a process has occurred, that is the completion time. In order to find out P1, this is the last time where P1 has occurred, right? So P1 is showing a completion time of 13 and P2 is showing a completion time of 5 and P3 is showing a completion time of 22, right? Therefore, what is turnaround time? I told you that turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time. So how much is it? Here it is 13 and here it is 4 and here it is 20, right? And after that, finding the turnaround time, you are supposed to find the waiting time. So what is waiting time? Waiting time is turnaround time minus burst time. So turnaround time minus burst time. So how much? 13 minus 9. So how much is 13 minus 9? 4. And how much is waiting time for this one? 4 minus 4, which is 0, which means P2 didn't wait at all. Once it arrived at 1, it has got scheduled and it got finished. Therefore, there is no waiting time at all. And what about this next one? 20 minus 9, which is 11, right? Therefore, what is the average waiting time? Average waiting time is 15 by 3, which is 5. This is the answer. Got it? So either they can ask you average waiting time or sometimes average turnaround time, or they'll ask you about completion time or something, right? It will be straightforward. There is nothing much about it. Got it?